Eclipse Cater will be established as a role proprietorship managed by the entrepreneur, ensuring simplicity, case of management, and full control of overall aspect of a business. Eclipse Cater offer high-quality catering service for various occasions including weddings, birthday, corporate event, seminar, and private gathering. With customizable menu, package, table setup, food presentation, and event coordination support. Competitive advantage. Eclipse Cater offer affordable premium catering package, personalized customer service, and elegant food presentation using fresh locally sourced ingredients and offering flexibility for event customization. Business location. Eclipse Cater will be located in Quezon City near Manila due to its accessibility, high population destiny, and demand for event service. Target market. The primary target market including young professional, middle to upper class family, and corporate client who frequently host social or business event. The secondary market will be including school, government, institution, and event planners seeking reliable catering partner for large-scale function. Target customer is typically aged 25 to 55 years old, value quality and presentation, and prefer convenience in organizing event. Industry trends. The Philippines cater industry is expand due to increasing social gathering, corporate events, and celebration trends including customizable menu, team events, health conclusion, food online booking, and complete event package. Marketing plan. Product strategy. Eclipse Cater offer customizable catering package, feature kitchen, beef, pork, pasta, dessert, and beverage with added service, wheel event styling, and table arrangement. Pricing strategy. Pricing will be competitive and value-based, ensuring affordable without compromising quality. Packaging range for 350 to 800 per head depending on the client select dish and inclusion. Place distribution strategy. The business will primarily cooperate on a made-to-order and delivery basically service clients within Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Order will be accepted through direct booking phone call, and online platform like Facebook, Instagram, and company website. Promotional strategy. Promotional will be focused on social media marketing, partnership with event planner, and participation in a local trade. Fair lunch promotion and discount. For first-time clients will be over a loyalty program will be developed and recruiting customer. Operation plan. Production of product and service. Food will be prepared in a fully equipment commissary kitchen following standard food safety and sanitation protocols. All dishes will be fresh cooked and packaged for each event. The business will be maintained strictly quality control and ensure consistency and customer satisfaction. Standard operating procedures or SOP. Receiving client inquiry and confirm event details, present menu option and finalize package selection, purchase ingredients and prepare dish according to schedule, set up catering and the venue. Services assistance, guests during the event, conduct post-event cleanup and evaluation. Job position and organizational chart. Owner or manager, head cook, assistant cook, food server, delivery driver, and utility staff. Eclipse Cater will be initial high for employment to ensure efficiency in service delivery. Recruitment process, prospective employee will be inquired through online job posting, referral, and local employee agency. Candidates will be undergoing screening and interview to ensure they possess the required skills, experience, and attitude. Menu selection: chicken, chicken cordon bleu, butter chicken, chicken teriyaki, beef, beef caldereta, beef stroganoff, kare-kare, pork, pork barbecue, lechon kawali, sweet and sour pork. Pasta, spaghetti carbonara and baked macaroni. Dessert, leche flan, fruit salad and brownies. Beverage, iced tea, mango, juice, fruit punch. Menu formation will be based on a popular Filipino and international dish. Ensure variety and flexibility for every occasion. Menu formation will be based on popular Filipino and international dish. Ensure variety and flexibility for event occasion. Management plan. The owner will be oversee the business handling, administrative, financial, and operational decision. Maintain cleaning. Communication will be staff and conducting monthly performance. Evaluation to ensure service quality and efficiency. Financial plan. Estimate startup cost that estimate capital required for Eclipse Cater is 500,000, which will be cover kitchen equipment, utensils, initial inventory, transportation, permits, and marketing expenses. Source of capital, founding. The business capital will be sourced from personal saving and the necessary a small business loan from a local financial institution or corporation.